Hey guys, today I will be doing an unboxing of my Birchbox. I love this box this month. It's so pretty. Kind of reminds me of like a Japanese theme. And it says Birchbox plus Rifle Paper Company. Okay. Nice pink tissue paper. Okay. First off, I got the N4 High Performance Hair Care. And this is the shampoo. Nice little bottle. Let's smell this. Smells very nice. So yeah. Next off, I got the Beauty Protector Protect and Oil. So I got the oil this time. Last time I got the detangler, and at first I didn't really like it, but then I used it and I was like, I love this stuff, so I'm waiting to get points so I can get the full size. But this smells just like the other one. Next, I got the Wish Shave Cream in Blueberry. It has an interesting smell. It kind of does smell like blueberries. So I have the pink one. I forgot what the pink one smells like, but I think I got it in another box. I'm not sure. Or freebie or something. Anyway, in my pillow pouch, I got the Pop Pop Beauty Trio Bright Up Your Life Eye Trio. And I got to actually pick it this month, so it was this or the I think it was the Lip and Cheek Tint. It was very soft, very, very pigmented. So those are the three colors. Now, not bad, not bad. Those are pretty good. So that's very, very nice. And then next I got the Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute Peel. Oh, I thought it was a mask, but it's not. So this is the product. Not a bad sample. I just think this is really funny looking. But yeah, anyway. So it's like a peel, so you put it on and you have to quickly do it, and I guess they said it's best used in the shower, so to save time, says try using the peel in the shower. Anyway, I have to say I really, really like this month's Birchbox because they didn't give me perfume. And I could use all the samples. So, thumbs up for Birchbox this month. I will leave the link down below if you want to join. It's $10 a month for samples. I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.